satellite services. My name is Abdulakim Tahiru and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Today we are learning a basic tutorial on how to delete a channel on a Nasco satellite inbuilt TV. It's a very short and quick one. We start by pressing menu on the remote control, then we locate program edit, then we are there. Then we look at the channel we are wanting to delete, 7DS. I'll go by deleting that one for example, or BOC TV. Then I'll press the red key. Can you see? Simply I've deleted a channel. Then ABTV, I'll press the red key on the remote control. I've deleted the channel, and that's it. Very simple, guys. Thank you. And up next is a video on how to edit and move channels on a Nasco inbuilt satellite TV. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share.